Hello and welcome back to Time Tuner. This is Vostok Komandirskie. This is a Soviet-era field watch from Vostok, and it looks like it's in need of a service. Vostok was founded in 1942 during World War II in Moscow. At the time, the company became a symbol of Soviet scientific and industrial progress. In the beginning, Vostok mainly produced watches for Soviet military officers, but they eventually started making watches for the general public as well. Vostok watches have always been known for being tough, reliable, and affordable. And interestingly enough, Vostok watches even made it into space several times with Soviet cosmonauts. But I think this watch might be hiding something, because for a vintage watch, it looks way too clean and well preserved, and that makes me wonder if it could actually be a fake. So there's only one way to find out. Let's open it up. First, I'm going to remove this beautiful military-style strap. And check this out, it even has a little compass on it, which I absolutely love. The case back isn't screw down, which was actually pretty common on Soviet-era watches like this one. Alright, we've got a hand wound movement here with 17 jewels. At first glance, it doesn't look too bad. The shape of the parts and bridges also looks quite similar to other Soviet movements from around the same period, but I think it definitely needs a proper service and some fresh lubrication. First, I need to remove the stem so I can take the movement out of the case. And there we go. Now, the dial is looking way too clean and new. Honestly, that alone is enough to make me suspicious. Let's carefully remove the hands. I was looking for the screws that hold the dial in place, but it looks like the dial is actually glued to the movement. Okay, finally, the dial is off. And yep, it really was glued directly onto the movement. That could be our first major sign that this watch is fake, because this is definitely not how an original watch would normally be assembled. I'm going to start disassembling the movement from the front side. Then we'll move on to the main components on the back. Alright, now that everything is taken apart, let's take a closer look at the quality of the movement's construction under the microscope. Here you can see some of the jewels, and as you can see, the finishing isn't exactly impressive. But what really caught my attention is the machining quality. It's surprisingly rough, and you can even see the burrs left behind from drilling these holes. That's definitely not something you'd expect to see on a properly made original watch. Now I'm going to clean the main movement components using isopropyl alcohol to remove all the dirt, grime, and dried up oil. But there's no way we can skip the ultrasonic cleaner. This thing is basically magic. I'm going to use it to clean the case and the strap and bring them back as close as possible to how they looked when they were new. Alright, it's time to put everything back together. Proper lubrication is absolutely essential for a mechanical watch to run correctly, so I'm using specialized Mobius watch oils for the job.